So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add an interactive bubble chart to a Keynote presentation. First thing you do is open up Keynote. Once that is done, go to the top located between table and text, press on chart, then press on interactive. So if you have 3D or 2D selected, press on interactive. You can select whatever color you're looking for. And if you want the interactive bubble chart, it's this option in the bottom right hand side. Press on that. Now, if you want to verify that you have the correct chart, press on the chart, go to the bottom right to where it says chart type. If interactive bubble chart is selected, then you have the right one. So you can kind of play around with it, do what you got to do. You can edit the data as well. And basically, it's super straightforward, super simple. But that is how to add an interactive bubble chart to a Keynote presentation. So once again, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps.